A lot of people have been asking me for this comparison because these are the most confusing tenses for non-native English speakers. I mean, each one of them taken separately is quite simple, but when you have to decide which tense to use, that's where many people get confused. That's why I've added this bonus lesson to compare these three tenses for you. Here we go. It's easier to fill the tense by looking at the example and the timeline. Simple future. In this stance, an action happens in the future. Simple as that. No connections to any other points in time. No ongoing actions, just one simple action in the future. For example, honey, I will be home at 3 p.m. today. Let's take a look at the timeline. Here's now, and here's 3 p.m. today. The action I will be home will happen at 3 p.m. The forecast shows that it will rain tomorrow. So here we have tomorrow, and here's the action. It will rain. We know when exactly it will rain. It's just a simple action at a definite time in the future. Or we also use simple future tense to describe a spontaneous action. That is when you very quickly and unexpectedly decide to do something. And we only use simple future for spontaneous actions. For example, somebody is knocking on the door. I will get it. Okay, now on future progressive. This tense shows an ongoing action, an action in progress in the future. Here we concentrate on the process itself, not on the fact that the action will happen. For example, don't call me tonight. I will be walking with my kids in the park. It's not just a one-time action, it's an ongoing, lasting action in the future. Another example, where we concentrate on the process in the future. Hopefully, he won't be drinking until he blacks out, as usual. And future perfect. It's quite similar to simple future. However, here we can't say when exactly the action will take place, but we do say that it will take place by a time or before a time in the future. For example, I hope they will have finished the construction by the end of summer. Here, the end of summer is this time by which the action will happen. I will have quit this irritate job by Christmas. Trust me. Here, Christmas is the point in time before which he will quit his job. We don't say when exactly he will quit. Once again, simple future, just to show a simple action in the future or a spontaneous action in the future. Future progressive to show an ongoing future action where we focus on the process, not on the fact that this action will take place. And future perfect to show an action that will happen sometime until a time in the future. That's it for now. Stay tuned.